Hey Mario, let's go to the pet shop. Yeah, Mario, let's go to the pet
Stop!
shop.
You're in timeout!
Baby Luigi, would you like to pick out a pet? Yes. Move around. I want that one. Oh, this one? No, the one under it. Oh my god!
Fuck?
No, that's it. That's it, baby Luigi. You can go with your hell beast. The corner.
Mamma mia, that was a disgusting. Mamma mia. Oh look, a beast.
Mario, stop. Mario, stop. You need to fuel. You can't fuel your addiction even more.
Another beast.
Mario, stop.
Ow!
Stop it. Oh, Mario, McMario. This is the episode that is.
This Mick episode is sponsored by Mick.
Shut up. I got this, okay, Mario?
My name starts with M. Mick Mario. Mick episode.
This episode is sponsored by McBurger. Come to McBurger for all your burger needs. This is McLuigi talking, not to Mario. Go to McBurger to buy the fresh McBurger, free 4 burger meal with extra ranch and McSauce.
Shut up!
McAbestus.
What was that last one?
I didn't say anything. I said McSauce.
Mamma mia.
Hydraulic press.
Stop. Okay, let's continue.
Make hydraulic press.
Help.
This is the Mick Awesome flip trick.
Don't end the recording. Look at his sad shape.
This is the McSkit made by McLuigi. Mario. This is my actual arm.
Can't see it in the camera.
This is my arm.
Oh!
Oh no, my arm's coming off. Mario has it. This is pretty Mick Awesome and scene. And scene. Stop. He doesn't deserve this.
Come on, Luigi.
Let's go to our nearest Mick sandwich.
McBurger.
We're here, Mario. Looks cracked. Or Mick Mario. Did I crack my
No, it's fine.
The whole thing's cracked. My phone's really cracked. I'll take it to Mick. Oh yeah, Mick
McRepair.
Mick Repair is a new store. They repair your stuff. I'm using a Mick camera right now. No, this isn't Luigi talking.
No, it's Mario talking.
They repair your Mick camera device.
Mario. Oh.
Their Mick cameras shoot for up to 144p.
Mario.
You know what, Mario? Pretend like this is heat seeking missile. Heat POV. Time to shoot it.
You're like, Luigi, stop. Hello, everybody. It is Mario here.
Just so much.
Line on the
asbestos.
floor.
I hate.
Line on
I got trapped in the basement of the Mick restaurant, and they're making
Uh,
me scrape
so
up,
welcome to
they're
this
making-
new Mick.
They're making me scrape up
McDonald's.
the asbestos.
Luigi,
Why-
we're recording.
Oh, yeah, come to Mick Flavor Town.
So, we're recording this on location. I
wonder what
know.
it tastes.
So we're here on location at a McDonald's, at a McDill, at a McBurger. McBurger's really nice. You can get so many family meals here. There's a play place, as you can see over there at the jungle gym.
Hello.
It's completely in it. like really badly.
Hello, I'm Luigi's doctor. I'm
Make asbestos is your McDonald's is really nice.
I'm Congo, Luigi's doctor.
we're
He's having a seizure.
We're recording something though.
He's allergic to asbestos.
We're recording something. Can you just wait? Can it wait?
No.
Try to stop a seizure. Usually you give them like an EpiPen or something.
Congo attack!
Ow! Ow! Hello, everybody. Welcome. Am I facing the camera? Hello, guys. Welcome to McDonald video. So after that monkey attacked me, I went blind, and Luigi's now in a coma because he was beat up while he had a seizure.
No, he's not.
Oh, he is awake then. Wake up, Luigi. Hi, I'm Luigi. Yeah, he's not in a coma. He's awake. I love McDonald's. That was asbestos. That was a new menu item, and that was the seizure. I just love it so much.
My special pudding pop.
Who said
Bill?
that?
Bill Cosby, get out of the recording room.
What the heck?
Come on, try out my.
Get out!
Oh my tailbone hurts so bad.
I'm sorry about what happened.
I couldn't stop it. The pudding pops were too good. Oh no.
Luigi, that was a
Mario.
funny joke you made about pudding pops.
Yeah, that was me.
Yeah.
That was funny.
I thought you were in a coma though. Yeah, no, I'm not in the coma though, because I've been talking the whole time. Luigi! You know, Mario, you're actually the better. You're actually the. Stop! Stay down! Stay down! You're actually the better brother, Mario. And I'm stupid, dumb baby. Where'd you go?
No, Mario, stop! Mario, stop! Mario, stop! Stop! It! No, Mario, stop! Stop! No! Don't do that! McTheater. Let's go to the McTheater. Oh no. Let's go, Luigi. I'm going in. We're going to the theater.
Bye-bye.
The theater's up here, Mario. Oh. He's taking the special
Luigi,
one.
I'm stuck. I can't move.
I'll help.
Well, Luigi,
No.
hold me down.
No.
Pull him out. Pull him out.
Help me. I know that you're recording. I can see.
Alright, we need new Mario characters. Okay. SpongeBob. I'm
SpongeBob. I'm SpongeBob.
Stop! That's my song.
This is SpongeBob dance.
SpongeBob.
No, this is our show. SpongeBob, stop. No, stop. Bye, SpongeBob. Hey, dude, look really quick. Look at me really quick. Look really quick. No! This has been a good commercial. Go to... Do this average. No. Bill Cosby, please don't. No.
You have ever seen. Cause you know I'm all about that rape.